Hi, welcome to my channel, Earth in Dubai. Now let's start the video. Hi, today's vlog is about Al Seef. As I told you, they represent their old culture. When we go up, I'll show you. They actually made the buildings with cement, not now. Now, but before they made with mud. Look, they give the structure like mud and the woods and all. I'll tell you something about Al Seef. Beautiful tradition combined with modern designs at the charming destination, showcasing the city's blend between its proud past and bright future. Al Seef is easily reachable on public transport near Burjuman metro station. This place is located near a creek. You can enjoy with the water. You can ride boats here and the price is so less. The structure represents their old culture. It feels like you are in their old culture 30-20 years before. This is a great spot to take some great pictures. Half is built in style of old Dubai. You actually should not come here in the morning. You should come here in the afternoon because in the morning it's hot. Plus, you can enjoy because it's no lighting. Now in the evening time, you can see all lightings. It's so good. You can see the truck. It's not like for driving. It's just for fun. And you can see their old tradition they are showing on that truck, like the big scorpions and the fishes, because before they used to do pole diving and fishing in their tradition. They actually represent their old culture like the mud building, but they add new shops. You can see all shops here. Right, they're new. They're not like that time only they were there. Actually, as I told you before, there's this place near creek, and you can see the creek. And as I told you, in the evening you should come here because in the morning the boats are without lights, and when you come in the evening, 7 o'clock or 6:30, you see all boats full of lights. If you see it from far away, it looks like something is glowing and going between the sea. This place is shopping is different. You can not in the mall you get here. This place is different. Oh look, there's something. They made the roof of leaves or coconut trees. As I told you, you can see the lighting in the boats, and there are so many restaurants here. It's so good having the sea view with the restaurant. It feels good. Now, other side you can see the gold soup and a place you can get spices and all. Now look what is this? It's like triangles made out of light. And this is a well. I fall down. I don't know what is this, but from outside it looks like a well, but it's not even deep. Here we came to the end. And special thank you for all of you to getting us for 100 subscribers. Thank you. Bye.